The luckiest turtle escapes from the jaws of death. Hello guys, you are watching Daily Random Box. Today I will show you some random but delicious videos that will make your palms sweaty and will put a smile on your face. Alright, let's start. The dog hopping happily like a kangaroo. This is what happened when a lightning strikes on a tree. You know what? This otter has a jungling skills. The happiest scribe in the world. A perfect landing on a tree.
Well, she's down. That could have been me.
That's in the videos. I hope you really enjoyed. If you then give a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which one you liked most. See you soon guys.